North Korea's internet only has 28 websites. The secretive country accidentally opened access for the world to see the websites hosted on its servers. It appears that a tech administrator made a mistake because access to the list of sites has been blocked before. A researcher in the US caught the data while running a project, and he dumped it on the site GitHub, revealing that there are only 28 registered domains for .kp. Some screen grabs of the sites were shared on Reddit. It's the first look into North Korea's secretive online world. Among the sites listed include one for the state airline, Air Koryo, as well as sites for education, public organizations, news, sports, movies, and cooking. There's also a film festival going on now. These websites are pretty basic, and they're slow to load. But there are technically more than 28 websites. You see, there are more sites within the country's closed-off intranet. It's a local network of sites on private networks, similar to a corporate network that's walled off. We know a little bit about it thanks to reports from blogs like northkoreatech.org. Also keep in mind, North Korea's servers are not the most stable. The country's entire internet went offline in late 2014 in what appeared to be a denial of service attack. That's it for this Tech News Update. I'm Bridget Carey. You can stay on top of the biggest stories at cnet.com/update.